Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can quickly make some hat loops inside Reveal Sound Spire. Let's get started. So I'm going to hit initiate, and then I'm just going to come over to here and I'm going to turn this cut off 1 because this is automatically set up inside Spire. Then I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to hit noise. Now what I've got set up here is just a sustained MIDI note. So now I've just got this. Right, so what I want to do is I want to come into the arpeggiator here. I want to turn this on. And then what I'm going to do when I'm in noise, I'm going to flip this Control A all the way over to this side. Now I can go up and down. Then I'm going to come over to the amp envelope, and I'm going to envelope 1, which is the amplitude envelope, and I'm going to change the decay. So I can get slightly shorter hits there. I can play around with this if I like. But I'm going to go with that one because it's nice and snappy. Then in the gate, I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to turn it to 8, the end here. So I've got a shorter period to work with. Then I'm going to go to step so I can change the velocity in here. I'm going to play around with some of these to get a nice groove. And then I can play around with the gate amount. Maybe let's go up another octave. Let's add a little bit of delay on there. To give me a nice little groove going on there. Then what I want to do is just add a tiny little bit of reverb. I'm going to bring the decay down. I could go up an octave again. It all depends on how dark you want them. It's like a fast-paced hat loop. I'd like something probably around here. I can obviously play around with these grooves. I could add a little bit of swing if I wanted to. They sound nice where they are. I like that there. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. As I say, if you want to have more in-depth tutorials like this, please head over to allanmorrowstudios.com, where there is plenty of sound design tutorials, start to finish courses, MIDI packs, sound banks, and everything else you can think of. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you have. Cheers. Bye.